My name is Christopher Oberste. I am the President and Chief Engineer of WEAV3D. It is a great honor for me to be selected as the Composite Manufacturing Emerging Innovator of 2025. SME has a very long history in manufacturing, and these sorts of awards really show the impact and potential that our technology has and the industry recognition that we're receiving. We're focused on developing high-rate composite manufacturing. Historically, this has been an area that hasn't been very well developed. There's been a lot of work on aerospace manufacturing and low-volume production for sports cars and things like that. However, mass-market vehicles really need lightweight solutions in order to be cost-effective and in order to reduce fuel usage and increase electric vehicle range. Our technology is really going to have a large impact once adopted into the automotive industry because of this ability to deliver lightweight structures at a cost-effective price point. Manufacturing is a great industry to be in. There's a lot of things happening here, both in terms of new technology development, but also even just implementing existing technologies in new applications. So I strongly recommend anybody who's interested in a career in engineering to look at manufacturing as a focus area. And they can get involved everywhere from the plant floor all the way into R&D.